Hi there, friend. I'm Xenia the X-Ray Fish, the see-through superstar of the river. You can actually see my bones. Isn't that wild? Even I can't keep secrets. I live in big fishy groups and love playing hide and seek, but I always lose. It's hard to hide when you're transparent. Okay, fish fans, want to hear 2 awesome things about me? Number 1, my body is so clear you can see my bones when I swim past shiny rocks. It's like I'm made of water and glitter. And number 2, I only grow as long as a crayon. I'm tiny, shiny, and totally bony. Okay, little artists, grab your pencils. We're gonna draw me. First, my shiny see-through belly. Then, my zigzag fins. And don't forget my big, buggy, fishy eyes. Are you ready? Let's splash into art.
Hello there, I'm Xenia, a fish that's crystal clear, with golden ribs and pinky fins. I love to swim right here. My stripes are neat and shiny. I glow beneath the sea. Let's start our art adventure. Just grab your pens with me. We swirl like the ocean, swish, swoosh goes my tail. Wiggle left, wiggle right through the curl trail. Draw a big round eye, make it nice and bold. Now a smiling cheek in perfect yellow gold. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish define. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish define. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish define. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish define. Start with my skeleton. Swoop, swoop lines we show. Each little rib we draw helps my bright body glow. Add some pinky blushing right by my eye. Then give me swimming fins so I can zoom and fly. Let's color in my tummy with yellow zigzag stripes. We're halfway through already. This drawing's nice. Squiggle, squiggle, seaweed bubbles go up high. Let's sing and draw together. Give it a happy try. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish divine. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish divine. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish divine. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish divine.
Your pencils got superpowers today.
Now let's meet my friends, the crab and jellyfish. They clap and cheer and bubble. Swish, swish. The sea is full of magic with colors all around. And when we draw it out, the joy is ocean bound. A tail so soft and wavy, color pink and gold. We add some shiny details. Our fish is brave and bold. Snap, snap, twist and swim. Add those final dots. We're artists of the ocean. We love drawing
That's how great art starts. Wow! Rainbow magic on your page!
Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish divine. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish divine. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish divine. Draw and sing and splash and shine. Make your X-ray fish divine.
Ta-da! Look at this masterpiece. I drew me. And you did too. You're amazing. Give yourself a big fin 5. Next time, we'll draw something super fun. And maybe even learn some letters too. See you soon, art adventurers.